Hello parents, Mrs. Kendrick here. I'm recording this short video for you so that you guys will be able to know where to help your scholar find their lessons for each week. Now, your scholar should already know this. I have gone over this multiple times during our first week to make sure that they understand where to go on my Google Classroom to find their lessons. The lessons will be posted usually either Friday or Sunday, and they'll be ready for your scholars on Monday, okay? So I'm going to show you, though, this is a video for parents, just in case your scholar is maybe a little stressed out or frustrated because they're not sure what to do that day, you will be able to help them, okay? It is very easy. It is very simple. I've tried to make it as simple as possible for everybody so that we can not be stressed out or frustrated, okay? So hopefully if you can see my screen, this says Mrs. Kendrick's class. When your scholar logs into Google Classroom, this is similar to what they see. Now this is my teacher page, so it's going to look a little bit different, but I can still show you where to find the lessons. Now, on the stream is where it shows everything I have posted. You can look for the lessons on here, but it might become kind of a long stream and it might become a little bit more confusing in the future, so I don't suggest trying to find the lessons here. All you need to do is tell your scholar to go to classwork. There is going to be a weekly schedule here. This is actually kind of mainly for parents. It does help scholars as well. If you were to click on here, you will be able to download, and it is in Excel, so I apologize if it doesn't download correctly, maybe onto Word or on the Google Drive, but you should be able to see it nonetheless. When you bring it up, it is going to show you a schedule, and it's going to show you Monday at what time, what they should be doing. It's also going to give you a very, very short and brief explanation of what they should be doing that day. So it'll just say something like math homework 1-1. Okay? Okay. However, this is just kind of an extra. This weekly packet here is just sort of an extra schedule that I put up and kind of a list, and it kind of helps you guys check stuff off. However, again, let me go back here. When you're on Google Classroom, you just go to classwork. What you actually really want to look for is you want to look for the tabs that say weekly math lessons, weekly ELA and writing lessons, weekly history and science lessons. This is where you will find all of your scholars' lessons that they need to complete. Okay? Now let me show you what exactly I mean. When you click on the weekly math lessons, it's going to give you a bunch of different materials. On Google Classroom, they call it materials. This is going to be some videos to help your scholar, and even sometimes some little graphics like I have added here to help your scholar with that particular assignment. However, if you look, you're going to see a document that says math lessons for the week of, and hopefully you'll see it on screen. It says the week of August 17th. Okay, so this is our first real week where we were learning. When you click on there, you're going to see all the math lessons, the homework that they should be doing for each day. So not only does your scholar have all the homework for that whole entire week, that also means that they'll be able to do possibly some homework earlier if they'd like to get their work done earlier. However, I don't suggest that. I suggest doing the homework when it is assigned. For example, do Monday's homework on Monday. Because when we do our Zoom meetings in the morning, this is the content that we are learning, okay? You're going to see the section 1-1, and it's going to tell you math page 11 off of your packet, and it's going to tell you exactly what problems to do. That is basically it. Now, there's also going to be ELA and writing lessons. Your scholar will have either assignments here to complete, and there's also going to be the weekly ELA and writing lessons as well, just like the math. So if you click on here, and I apologize, I don't have a document uploaded yet, but it's going to look just like that math page. It's going to tell you Monday, and it's going to tell you what your scholar is required to do that day. Tuesday, and whatever homework it is for them to do on that day as well. That's pretty much it, parents. That is all. When you go to classwork, you can go on weekly math lessons or any of the other subjects. You can click on the lessons for the week of whatever week we are starting or we are in, and you have all of your scholars' lessons there. So let's say it's a Wednesday and your scholar's telling you, I don't know what to do for math today. Go tell them to go on their Google Classrooms, go on weekly math lessons, check on Wednesday, there is your homework. Okay? I tried to make this as easy as possible so that nobody is frustrated or stressed out. Also, you don't have to I will answer and help you in any way that I can, parents and scholars, but I know that it's frustrating when you have to keep asking and keep emailing, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? And so I'm trying my best to make it as easy for everybody. Alrighty, and I hope that this helps. I am also going to keep the current week and the previous week's lessons as well. Just in case maybe there was some kind of emergency, maybe in your family and your scholar couldn't complete a couple assignments, they can go back and check what they missed and then still turn it in. We know these times are very uncertain, and we know some families have been facing some health issues, and we want to make sure that we are as flexible as possible. Okay? All right. I hope this was helpful. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email me or send me a remind, and I will help you as much as possible. Okay? Again, I hope this is helpful, and I hope this was able to answer any questions that you might have had. And again, my goal is to make this as stress-free as possible during this distance learning time. Okay? All right. Thank you guys. You guys have yourselves a very good day.